Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn the difference between affect spelled with A and effect spelled with E. I'm going to show you lots of examples and 2 easy tricks to help you remember the difference. Then at the end of the video we'll have a short quiz to test your knowledge. I've also created a PDF of practice exercises which you can download from my website, and I'll put the link down below in the description. If you do like the video, please hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the pronunciation. Some people say that these are homophones. That is, words that sound exactly the same, but that is not true. There is a difference in the pronunciation. Affect with A, the A is pronounced This is like the in the. Affect. Notice that the emphasis is on the second syllable, so we don't say affect or affect, it's affect. Effect with E. So the E is actually pronounced I, like the I in ship. Effect. And notice again that the emphasis is on the second syllable, so we don't say effect, it's effect. Now let's move on to the difference in meaning. We'll start with affect with A. This is a verb. When I was making this video, I was thinking of examples and I realized that we often use affect in a passive way. So we're going to look at both active and passive examples. Starting with the active, to cause someone or something to change, or to have an influence on someone or something. Now the passive is to be changed or influenced by something. If you'd like a tutorial on how to use the passive voice, then check out my video on the subject. I'll put the link down below in the description. Now let's look at affect with E. This is a noun. The change that has been caused by something or the result of an influence. And we also often say to have an effect on something. This is exactly the same as saying to affect something. So we can use the verb to affect something, or we can use the phrase to have an effect on something. And we've got the same meaning. Now, if you find this confusing, don't worry, because I'm going to give you a trick to remember the difference. Affect you can think of as the action, it's what you do. And affect with E, this is the end result. So you'll notice here action with A for the effect with A, and end result with E for the effect with E. So, affect with A, this is the verb, the action. Affect with E, this is the end result. Now we're going to look at some examples, and then I'll give you another memory trick later in the video. Now let's take a look at some examples. We're going to look at 4 different examples. Drinking caffeine at night can negatively affect your sleep. So using affect with A, we're saying that it can influence or change your sleep. Your sleep can be negatively affected by drinking caffeine at night. So here we have the example of the passive, which is very, very typical. And we form the passive with the verb to be, the past participle, affected, and the preposition by. The effect of caffeine on your sleep is that you don't sleep as well. So when we use the noun, we're talking about the result, the end result. Drinking caffeine at night can have a negative effect on your sleep. So here we have the phrase to have an effect on, which is used in the same way as we use the verb. Example number 2. Bad weather affects my mobile phone signal. My mobile phone signal is affected by bad weather. So here, using the verb, I'm talking about influence or change. Bad weather influences or changes my mobile phone signal. The effect of bad weather on my mobile phone signal is that it is reduced. So here we're using the noun and we're talking about the end result. Bad weather has an effect on my mobile phone signal. So the typical phrase, has an effect on. So the first phrase here, bad weather affects my mobile phone signal, and the last one, bad weather has an effect on my mobile phone signal, are exactly the same. Now for our third example. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected all of us. We have all been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So the pandemic has influenced or changed us. The effect of the COVID-19 pandemic on all of us is that we have had to change our behaviour. So that is the end result, the effect, that our behaviour has changed. Most of us have experienced a lockdown, and a lot of us still have to wear masks in certain situations. The COVID-19 pandemic has had an effect on all of us. So here, 4 different ways of basically saying the same thing. Now for our final example. Doing exercise positively affects our health. Our health is positively affected by doing exercise. So here we're saying that exercise influences or changes our health. The effect of doing exercise on our health is that it improves. So this is the end result. The effect or end result of exercise is improved health. Doing exercise has a positive effect on our health. So here the typical expression to have an effect on, and this means exactly the same thing as to affect. Doing exercise positively affects our health is the same as doing exercise has a positive effect on our health. Now, don't worry if you think you won't remember that, because I'm going to show you another trick to remember the difference. This is called the Raven method, and it is a mnemonic or a phrase that is designed to help you remember. Remember, effect equals verb, effect equals noun. So we've got remember beginning with R, effect with A, V for verb, effect with E, and then N for noun. So if you remember Raven, remember effect equals verb, effect equals noun. Now, speaking of the noun, there is one more use of effect as a noun, and that is an illusion created for film, theatre or TV using props, computer graphics, lighting, etc. And we often refer to these as special effects in the plural. Special effects have improved so much over the last 30 years. I don't know about you, but when I was a child in the 1980s, special effects were pretty bad compared to how they are now. They've changed dramatically. The special effects in the latest Jurassic World film are amazing. I just chose Jurassic World as an example because I happen to love those films. Now it is quiz time. Read the phrase, pause the video, decide whether to use affect the verb or affect the noun. Play the video to check your answer. Public services are by taxation. Affected. This is an example of the verb in the passive, to be affected by. Criticism has no on him. Effect. If something has no effect on something else, then it has no influence. Pollution, our rivers and seas. Affects. Pollution changes or affects our rivers and seas. The special in that film were terrible. Effects. Here we need the noun, special effects. What has the pandemic had on the economy? What effect has the pandemic had? So here, to have an effect or have an influence on something. Do your friends' opinions your decisions? Affect, the verb. Do your friends' opinions influence your decisions? Fortunately, my town wasn't by the recent hurricanes. Affected. So here we have the passive, to be affected by. Her family problems have negatively her grades. Affected or influenced. The medicine had a lot of side which made her feel worse. Effects. I wanted to include this one because this is a typical collocation, side effects. Side effects are sort of unwanted results of taking a medicine or a medication. So perhaps you take something because you feel sick and it causes you to have a headache. So the headache would be a side effect of the medication. If you enjoyed that video, then take a look at my channel. I've got lots of videos on grammar, vocabulary, and also exam preparation. And if you do like the content, please like and subscribe to see more. And don't forget to head over to my website and download your free practice exercises PDF, link down below in the description. See you in the next video.